How to fix "This account can no longer use WhatsApp" error on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve the WhatsApp banned error and restore access to your account. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. You'll see the error message stating "This account can no longer use WhatsApp." Next, tap on Learn More or Read More below the error message. Now, you'll see information about why your account was restricted. Moving forward, look for the option to submit a request or appeal. Tap on it to begin the appeal process. Afterwards, WhatsApp will ask you to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number and tap on Submit. You'll receive a verification code via SMS or call. Enter the code to verify your identity. Once verified, write a brief message explaining that you did not violate any rules. Be polite and professional in your appeal message. Tap on Submit to send your appeal to WhatsApp. Now wait for WhatsApp to review your request. This can take a few hours to a few days. Alternatively, if you don't see the appeal option, uninstall WhatsApp from your device. Reinstall it fresh from the Google Play Store. Open WhatsApp and verify your phone number again. Check if the error message has been resolved. If your account was banned due to spam reports, make sure not to send mass messages or add unknown numbers to groups going forward. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix "This account can no longer use WhatsApp" error, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.